Newton.
Hi, I'm Shanks, your mentor from Olympiad Tester. Today, the challenge for grade 6 students is 3 high order thinking science questions from the chapter Our Environment. Shashi poured an equal amount of water into 3 rectangular containers P, Q, and R, which were made of the same material. She left all the 3 containers in direct sunlight from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Then she recorded the amount of water left in each container. She observed that Q had the greatest amount of water left in it, followed by R and then P. Which option in the table shows the correct arrangement of the exposed surface area of water in increasing order? Check the options in the table below. A group of students measured the temperature in a particular place at 6 hourly intervals for 2 days. The temperature was recorded in the air, in the water of a shallow pond at a depth of 15 centimeter and in the soil at a depth of 15 centimeter. Using the data collected, they plotted a graph to show how the temperature in the air, in the water, and in the soil changed over 2 days as shown below. The blue line shows the temperature of water, the brown line shows the temperature of soil, and what can the students infer from the graph about the temperature variations? Options. At any one time, the air temperature is always higher than the water temperature. The soil temperature varied by the same amount each day. The temperature in water changed the least over this time period. The lowest temperature in air was recorded at 12 a.m. daily. Shivani placed a cold metal plate over a container of hot water. After some time, she saw water droplets on the underside of the metal plate. But she observed that the rate at which the water droplets were formed changed over time. Which option in the table shows the correct observation and explanation? Check for all the 4 options in the table below. Like the questions, there are 1000 plus such high order thinking questions in our